Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a brand new Toyota CHR Limited. This is a 5-passenger crossover in Blizzard Pearl, and under the hood you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on the CHR includes the upgraded facelift. Other great features includes fog lights, proximity smart key system, fold-away side mirrors, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, the CHR does have a smart key system, so we can press these 2 lines on the door handle to lock the vehicle. And to unlock it, it's as easy as putting our hand inside the door handle. Take a quick peek in the side mirror. You can see you do have a blind spot monitoring system. Inside the door, you have your power windows, locks, and power adjustable side mirrors. You have some storage space on the bottom of the door as well. Now, if we take a look next to the door, you will find your heated steering wheel button along with your automatic high beams. If we take a look inside, you can see the CHR comes equipped with black leather seating. On the bottom, you will find your power seating adjustment buttons. The CHR is a push to start, so we're going to push the brake in and press that engine start button right behind the steering wheel there. As always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. Now, starting on the left side, you have your audio controls along with your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right side, you have this cluster right here. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Taking a look back on the steering wheel, on the right side, you'll find your Toyota safety sense with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. You have your cruise control speed settings right behind the steering wheel there. Continuing on to our entertainment display. Right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it will display any device that's connected as well as any audio that's playing. On the right side, you have your trip information, which you can press on the screen. And here you can also look at your history as well. Now if we go into audio, you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between USB and Bluetooth. Now if we go into menu, there you have your projection icon for your Apple CarPlay. Moving down to our climate control system, it is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. On the left and right side, you'll find your driver and passenger heated seats. You also have your eco mode on the top right corner. And lastly, if you move down, you'll find some storage space along with cup holders, and this is where you'll also find your USB and auxiliary. Taking a look inside the back here, we have a little cup holder inside the door for those rear passengers. We are continuing with the black leather seating as well. If we take a look closer, behind the front passenger and driver's seats, you do have these little extra storage compartments. And the rear seats do fold down. It's as easy as pressing this little button on the top. Seats fold all the way flat, giving you access to your cargo. Now, to access the cargo of the CHR, there is a little button under the Toyota emblem. You can give that a press, and that'll open up nice and easy. Now, if you can see inside here, you have plenty of storage space. Like I mentioned, the rear seats do fold down. That will always give you that extra bit of room. The CHR also comes with a cargo cover as well. We can also look underneath here. This is where you'll find some extra storage along with the tools and your spare tire in case one ever goes out on you. Taking a last look at our CHR Limited, once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, push start, black leather seats, and a heated steering wheel. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.